massive stock activity. More than double what was there on 30th, more than double what was there on 29, 28. ये anomaly देखिए. ये कौन लोग हैं? ये वो लोग हैं जो जानते हैं कि कोई ना कोई घपला हो रहा है. हजारों करोड़ रुपए यहां पे इन्वेस्ट हुए हैं. Why did PM and HM give specific investment advice to the 5 crore families investing in the stock market? Is it their job to give investment advice? Second, why both interviews were given to the same media house owned by the same business group, which is also under SEBI investigation for manipulating stock market? Third, what is the connection between the BJP, the fake exit pollsters, and the dubious foreign investors who invested one day before the exit polls were announced and made a huge profit at the cost of 5 crore families? We demand a JPC into this. We are absolutely convinced that this is a scam